To reveal news, and debt without a doubt is piling up for British travel services company Thomas Cook, and so it's decided to put its business here in India on the block. In fact, a bunch of companies are pretty interested, and that's probably why we saw the Thomas Cook stock hit the upper circuit in trade today. But we're chatting with Nisha Podar, who's joining us live from our Mumbai newsroom to understand who could potentially grab Thomas Cook's business here in India. Nisha.
Tanya, Thomas Cook Global's trip to India is coming to an end. In fact, the British travel planner has struck off India as a place it wants to operate in, and that's why it has put on the block 77% stake it has in the Indian listed company Thomas Cook India, and has mandated the bank Credit Suisse for the sales process. What I gather from my sources in the market is that there is a lot of interest amongst the industry players, and why not? Because Thomas Cook, remember, is India's largest domestic foreign exchange as well as travel services player, and all the domestic players are looking at eyeing the market share that it enjoys at the moment. You name it, and Cox and Kings, Make My Trip, Mercury Travels as well as Coney, all of them are showing their interest as far as this company is concerned. Some of the private equity players also I hear, and I have been speaking to some of them who have confirmed that they have shown interest for Thomas Cook India assets, and they are Carlyle, KKR as well as Actis. It needs to be seen whether some of these private equity players will be backing the domestic players as far as this bid process is concerned, because it may command some premium as far as valuation is concerned. After a 20% jump in the stock price today, Thomas Cook India's market cap ends at a little over 1,100 crore rupees. And of course, the British company is looking at, the parent company is looking at relieving a part of its books from the large amount of debt it has on its books by the sales proceeds.